Fox, what are you doing here?
Just resting. What about you?
Look, the sky is darkening. A storm is coming, quick! Fox, what are you doing here?
Just resting. What about you?
Look, the sky is darkening. A storm is coming, quick!
Don't be afraid, little one. I'll take you to my den.
Thank you. Rain! Hold on tight, Owl! I'm ready! Let's go! This mud is thick! You're doing great! Almost there! We're a great team!
Whoa, a storm! Eek, lightning! Don't worry, I've got you! Thank you!
We're safe now.
Yes, our den. Let's make a bed. Here, this moss will be soft.
Thank you, my friend.
This rain is endless. At least we're dry in here. And I'm glad we're together. Me too, friend. Chirp! Good morning, Fox. Good morning, Owl. You look well rested. Chirp, let's explore. I'd love to. Follow me. Owl, I brought you some berries. Oh, thank you. They look yummy. You're welcome. Enjoy them. So sweet. You really like those berries, huh? They're my favorite. Want to try one? No thanks. Let's go outside and play. Okay, I'll race you to the meadow.
Hi, Fox. Can I join? Of course, Owl. Hop on. This is fun. Let's explore the meadow.
Hey, look at you go!
You really think so? I finally feel like I have a family.
We are family now.
Hey, Owl. Where's your nest? Chirp, this way. Is it in this tree? Chirp, no, keep looking. This one? Oh, there it is, the nest. You found it. Hello? What are those?
My eggs. But I have no answer for where my chicks are.
No answer? That's so sad.
Yes, it is.
That tickles, friend. Ready for our adventure? Let's go. Let's cross the stream. Okay, I'll follow you. Careful, the rocks are slippery. Whoa! You okay? I'm good.
Hey, little owl. What is it, Fox? Gotcha. Whoa, you caught me. Let's cuddle. Okay, I like this. Don't be afraid, little one. Chirp, where is my family? I saw the commotion. Little one, whose baby are you? You are not from this forest, are you?
The nest was blown east by the wind.
East? We must find it. Let's go!
It's time for a new journey. I'll fly with you. Let's go explore the night. The stars will guide us.
You look tired, little friend.
I am. May I rest on your back?
Of course, sweet dreams.
I'll find your home.
Whoa! I'm slipping! Hang on! Whew, I'm okay? Got it! Great job! Fox, I'm safe now. Thank goodness, I'm so tired. You can let go. Rest now. Okay, I'm letting go. Rest, my friend. Thanks, bird. Oh.
Chirp, chirp, hello, dear. I recognize that beautiful song. It's the robin song of friendship. It's wonderful to meet you. Look, the old pine hill. Let's go. I'll race you. Wow, it's so tall. Look, the giant pine tree is just ahead. Wow, let's go see it. Come on, we're almost there. Chirp, chirp. Whoa, it's so tall. Incredible. Mother Robin, what's up there?
Yeah, what's the big secret? The world looks so big and beautiful from here. Watch this. I can freeze like a statue. Wow.
Mother, you're flying down. We're ready for you. Here I come. Wee, jump high. Whoa, slow motion. Mom, is that you? Yes, I found her. She's coming.
My baby, I missed you.
Mom,
I'm here now.
yay, a hug. I must go now.
Take care, little one.
Fox, one last hug. Of course, my friend.
We'll miss you.
I must return to my nest now. Safe travels, little friend. Thank you, Fox.
Back to the oak tree. Ah, here we are. Time to sit and rest.
In the forest where I play, I sing a happy song today. Trees and flowers bright and green, with my mother a lovely scene. La la la.
We visit every day.
So I'm not alone?
Never again, we're together.
I'm so happy.
Come on, let's explore.
Wow, the forest is glowing. Look, my family is flying. Hello, little one. We are always with you.